This is my Coleman camping stove. I purchased just in case the power goes out in my home this winter, or to use on picnics while camping. It's lightweight, compact, portable, and 7,650 BTU. The butane is sold separately. The Coleman butane cylinder is recommended and lasts up to 1.25 hours on high on one 8-ounce can. The Coleman stove has an adjustable burner, it's easy to clean, has an Insta-Start ignition, a large stable base, it's heavy duty and rust proof, and has an integrated fuel compartment. It comes in a nice black carrying case with a handle and two latches to open and close. Simply slide them back to open or slide them forward to close. The stove comes with a handy booklet with directions on how to properly use it. This is what the bottom of the Coleman stove looks like. And this is what the top of the stove looks like. The right side is where the can of butane goes. It just pulls back very easily. Here is a closer look inside and an even closer look. The front of the stove is where you'll find the knob to turn it on and off. This is a picture of the back, and as you can see on the bottom right that it comes with legs to support the stove on any tabletop surface. This Coleman camping stove comes with a 1-year limited warranty and will be a nice gift for someone you care about or for yourself, especially with the winter season approaching. I purchased mine off Walmart.com. Thanks for watching and happy camping.